Hi friends, it's me. I'm here in my kitchen, as you can see, my refrigerator behind me. But this is coming as an announcement that I have, and I'm making this because I have noticed a few things. Now, we talked about this yesterday, Tuesday, May 5th, at our class meeting, but some of you may not have joined, some of you may have forgot, and this is extremely important. So, this may not apply to everybody, but everybody needs to watch, okay? There may be some secret words that I throw in this announcement, and I will be asking you what those secret word or words are, and that will tell me that you truly did watch this video, okay? So, the first thing I want to say is a huge thank you and how proud I am of each and every one of you. I know this is super crummy of a situation. I would rather be in school. I'm pretty sure you'd rather be in school. And let's be honest, it's a lot harder, I think maybe, to be doing this schooling outside of school at home rather than inside of school. We don't get to see our friends. It's harder to ask questions. We may not be as motivated to get work done. So I appreciate and I am so thankful and proud of every single one of you for kind of adapting to this situation. On the flip side, there are maybe a handful, maybe a little bit more of a handful of you that I'm noticing that there are some days where you have done zero work. You have not done your math, you haven't done whatever it is. Maybe you just did your question of the day. There are even more of you who do part of your work, okay? Or you're not following the directions that are typed or verbally said in a video on the screen, okay? I know it's hard and difficult, but it is your job and the expectation that you do the work daily, okay? That is why I assign daily work. I will be starting again to comment, like I have been, on your slides. First secret word of the announcement is cauliflower. So one of your secret words is cauliflower. So on the next slide, pause this video. On the next slide, go write that word down. Okay. Like I was saying, you need to be following the directions as said in the videos and on the slides and completing your work on a daily basis. You need to also check every day the last slide's assignment for comments. Because what I am noticing, especially in math and reading, math, we are not doing our questions. Like let's say you have like questions to answer and I post a selfie. You may not be doing those. Okay? For homework, you're given 2 days. You're not given 2 days for the lesson. That lesson you're supposed to do that day for 30 minutes. For reading, if you have a reading log, the last time we had it, I think more than half of us did not do our reading log. You will have to do your reading log. Boys and girls, if you do not do your lessons on the day that they are due, on the next day, you will be expected to do the next day. So today is Wednesday. So if you don't do today's work, you will be expected to do Wednesday's work on Thursday along with Thursday's work. So you're only supposed to have 30 minutes or so per subject each day. However, if you are not doing your work on time, that 30 minutes may be extended. And I will be checking every single day that you're doing your work. Also, if you did not know, if you don't do your work and I don't get an email from mom or dad or someone who's watching you that, hey, Mrs. DeGracie, Tom is sick today. He won't be doing any work. And I've gotten messages from parents. I completely understand. We're sick sometimes. We're sick at school. Okay, if we had to go to school, I get it. You'll be given extra time, but you are still going to be expected to do that work. I have gotten no emails this week from moms or dads saying that you are sick and cannot do your work. And I've had many students not complete their daily work. So we talked about this on Tuesday, May 5th's class meeting. You are watching this video as an announcement right now. I know that it is a crummy situation. I get it. But we have to do what we have to do to continue on with school. And this is how we're continuing on with school. It is your job, yours. It is your job to do your daily lessons. And if I do not see that they are completed for the day, like if you have homework that's due in 2 days and I check one day it's not done and check the other day it's done, that's great. But it is your job every day to complete your lessons in the time frame, okay? And if I notice that you are doing your lessons but you might need some more time, message me. I will give you more time. What might take 30 minutes for me may take 45 minutes for you. I get it. But if I notice that you're not doing any work, you have made no effort, I may not give you that time. Or I might say, okay, you need to have it done by Tuesday, along with Tuesday's lessons. Lastly, like I have said many, many times, if you are confused, even after watching the video, even after reading the directions, that includes hints. Many of you are not reading my hints, which results in you having to redo some work. But even after that, if you are still stuck, there's the possibility of that. That's okay. You need to message me and say, Mrs. DeGracie, can we chat? Because I'm still confused on math lesson or reading lesson or whatever lesson it is. You and I can do a one-on-one, probably take 5-10 minutes maybe, for as long as you need for me to explain it. But I have been noticing more and more students not doing their work. It is crucial that you do your daily work when it is assigned. Otherwise, you're going to start seeing your workload pile up and up and up. And then what was once 30 minutes or 2 hours a day, or maybe even less for some of you, might become 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a day. And no one wants that. So, in conclusion, I expect all of you to be doing your daily lessons when they are assigned. Each and every slide needs to be completed if there is something to be done on that slide. If you do not do it, you will be asked to do it the next day, along with the other assignments. Okay? Please reach out and ask for questions. Ask questions. Ask to meet with me one-on-one. I would love to. That's why I'm here. I am available pretty much all day. Okay? So it's up to you to get that done, to get those questions answered, and we can work together. All right? So I hope you found this informative. I'm talking to everybody here. Okay, and I know we can do this together. We only have about 5-6 weeks left. Okay, let's have as much fun as we can. Let's get as much learning in as we can. Okay, so we can start our summer break feeling good. We don't have anything to make up, and we're ready to go. Okay, I'll see you guys on Thursday for any questions. And our last mystery word of this video is coffee. So pause this video again and on the slide below, write our next mystery word, which is coffee. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.